plus yung People's Army. Pero ito, superior doon kay President Duterte. And
Hindi na tayo membro ng ICC. Why are we insisting to carry out this, to implement this warrants of arrest issued by ICC? We are not we are under no obligation to carry out such warrant of arrest. Hindi tayo membro. At ang klaro dyan, lahat ito ay politika.
Kulong na yan! Batong natakot!
Lahat ng sangkot! Lahat ng sangkot!
Pag-asa!
Sir!
Okay, Cheryl and Julius, this is becoming weirder by the minute. We don't know bakit kami nandito sa dulo nito. Hindi ko alam, hindi ko alam na meron palang... Ay! Oh my God! Oh my God! May nagpaputok! Oh my God! Oh my God! Nagpaputok! Oh my God! Sir? Oh my God! Sir, what's happening? Oh my God! Cheryl, Julius! Nagpaputok! Nagpaputok! Yung mga marine! Bakit? Oh my God! Oh my God! Naka-armas na rin! Naka-armas! At may mga pulis! Hindi na tayo ngayon! Nakarinig tayo na! Oh my God! Sinidisperse kami! Sinidisperse kami! Tapos, pagkaroon ng putukan!
Coach Robby, nandito. Hop, camera sa likod.
We have not verified who the perpetrators were.
Don't push!
I am here to make sure of everyone's safety. Okay? I cannot answer anymore until I go inside. My only order so far was to secure the centers and to secure the CCTV room so we can make sure who entered, where they entered from. After that, I have no further information. There have been no reports of any casualty, and I am not here to arrest Senator Bato. Okay? I am here to secure him at the back, and then started firing indiscriminately into the air. Now, we do not have a definite count of how many people tried to enter the building. Number two, there are no casualties. None. No one was hit, no one is wounded, no one was killed. Number three, we are in the process of determining who is behind this. The President has given strict instructions. Secure the senators, whoever they may be. Next, we are not here to arrest Senator De La Rosa. In fact, we are here to protect him. Let that be clear. I made that very clear to his family. I repeat, we do not know who is behind this, but we will find out.